Did you know your body has an incredible built-in system to heal itself, stay lean, and even protect you from serious diseases like cancer? In this video, we're diving into a few powerful daily habits inspired by Japanese longevity secrets. Simple lifestyle changes that can literally change how your body functions from the inside out. Let's start with something fascinating. A process your body uses every single day called autophagy. Think of it like your body's internal housekeeping system. Your cells start cleaning themselves, removing old damaged parts, and making way for new, healthy ones. This natural detox mode keeps you energized, focused, and more resilient against disease. And here's the kicker. This process kicks into high gear during fasting. Yep, when you're not eating, your body isn't just resting, it's repairing. So how can you activate this inner repair mode in your daily life? Here are 3 timeless habits inspired by Japanese wellness traditions that will help unlock your body's full potential. 1. Trigger your inner cleanup crew with intermittent fasting. One of the most effective ways to turn on autophagy is by giving your body a break from food. This is where intermittent fasting comes in. Simply creating a window each day where you don't eat, usually between 12 to 16 hours. It sounds intense, but it's actually how many people in traditional Japanese culture have eaten for generations, eating dinner early, skipping breakfast, or naturally going longer between meals. During this fasting period, your body shifts from digesting to deep cellular repair. Metabolism improves, inflammation drops, and your body starts generating antioxidants that fight aging and disease. 2. Eat enzyme-powered foods. Another longevity secret? Enzyme-rich foods. These are fresh, living foods that help your body digest better, detox naturally, and support a healthy gut, which, by the way, is linked to everything from your immune system to your mental health. We're talking about things like fresh fruits and vegetables, fermented foods like miso, pickled veggies, and natto seaweed and other ocean superfoods. These support digestion, help your body absorb nutrients, and keep your internal systems running clean and smooth. 3. Move daily and live with purpose. Want to know the real secret of those who live past 100? They never stop moving. In Japan, it's not about hitting the gym for hours. It's about consistent, light movement throughout the day. Walking, gardening, stretching. Combine that with a sense of purpose, staying engaged, connected, and doing things you love. And you've got a recipe for long, vibrant life. Even into their 90s and beyond, many Japanese elders stay active, curious, and full of life. They eat light, stay socially connected, and avoid stress by focusing on joy and service. To wrap it up, you don't need expensive supplements or crazy diets. Your body already knows how to heal and protect itself. You just need to support it. Fast a little, eat whole, enzyme-rich foods, move daily, and live with purpose. Unlock your body's hidden power and start feeling better, living longer, and thriving every single day.